What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually going on another food hunt. New York City is slowly opening up, so that means more restaurants are opening up. As you all may know, Alyssa and I, we run a small food Instagram, Cure Your Cravings. That's how this whole thing got inspired, from the Instagram to the YouTube that you guys are watching right now. We just love food, and now that New York is opening back up, it's time to check out these restaurants again and support these businesses. Ever since this whole pandemic has happened in New York, we haven't been able to go out. We've went out, I think, once or twice, but a lot of the stuff we've done is home cooking or videos in our house that are not food related. I gotta grab Alyssa. Let's go hunting for some food again. All right, I'm waiting for Alyssa. I don't know where she is. It's taking forever. I'm starting to get hungry. One of the best parts of this year is we went to California at the end of last year, beginning of this year, and we had some tacos. Birria, I don't know how to say the word, I'm butchering the word. These tacos were amazing. And we found a food truck right here in Queens that they're open and they're serving from like 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. These tacos, we've been craving these tacos for a long time. It's the tortilla, they drench it in some kind of gravy, meat-based gravy with cheese and the meat inside. Oh my god, it just looks good every time I look at a photo. I'm trying to show you guys exactly what it is. But Alyssa needs to hurry up, or I'm gonna go get tacos without her. Look who's finally here. Taking forever.
What? I'm here, let's go.
Oh, now you wanna go. We're looking for parking. This is in the heart of Queens, in the little Hispanic area, and it's so busy. But we drove by the truck, and my god, there's a line. These trains are gonna be so annoying. They're just passing.
What was that?
Let's go get some tacos. Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Look at you with your man. We got it, but there's nowhere to sit, so I'm eating in the car.
Ready for the reveal?
Ready for that? Oh my god, I can smell it.
Napkins.
Woo!
Because you need these.
Oh boy.
You just got your car washed.
I know, better be careful. Wow, look at that.
It smells good.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's the meat and cheese. Time to enjoy some tacos.
Right.
Alright. This one's the regular.
You already dipped it. Dunk it.
It's beautiful.
Good? I'll take it just now.
It's so good.
That's good.
It's like really good.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
I like the crunchiness.
Next one. This one. This one is the tostada. So it doesn't fold, it's crispy. Look at that. We're gonna have to cut.
You're such a mess.
It's so crispy. Yeah, I like this one. Oh my god. Onions.
I do like this one. It's very crunchy.
I think this one's like a hot sauce. Yeah. Doesn't smell hot. It's mostly tomato based. It has a kick, but
Yeah, it has a little tang. 2 is good. And now number 3.
Number 3, meat and cheese.
That one's.
Hold it up for me so all the juices don't drip in my car. Woo.
That was a big bite. You like this one?
I love this one.
Cheesy.
Mmm.
You're so weird. My own, number 3.
Yeah.
Which is, I guess, a good thing since you were in love with it.
Yeah. See why I'm choosing over you?
It's cheesy.
You didn't get a good bite. You ate it like a weirdo. The taco. Hold it. Get all of it. Yeah. You got a great. Eat all 6 of them layers. Oh yeah. There, number 4 is this cup of consomme. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But it's just gravy with the meat paste. The meat paste inside. And they even use this sauce to coat the tacos. That's why they're so orange. But let's give this a little taste. It's good. It's hearty. The tomato flavor is really good.
I like the hard one better.
So good. They only sell these 4 items, but that's all they need to sell because this is really good.
It's good.
Very good. If you guys are ever in, I think this is like Corona, Queens, New York City, New York area, look for the truck. There's a little line, but it's worth it. It's not even long of a wait, yeah, because there's only 4 items. But I think it's called Biryani. I don't know how to say the word. I'll put it in the link. I'll put the link in the description below. But man, we are gonna enjoy this and get back to you guys. Go. Leave me with her. Where are we off to now?
Ice cream.
Where?
There's no places close by. You're the person that finds all the places.
Since quarantine,
Everything is closed.
everything has been closed, and now I don't know what's open, and I don't want to go searching.
You sound like double chins.
You think that's 2? Ready to go?
Nope.
Look for some. Ready to go look for some dessert?
What are you doing?
I'm finishing it.
With no spoon?
All that's left is liquid. I ate all the meat.
Animal. What annoys me most about you? You're chewing. I didn't say that. You said that.
I know that. Now let's go. Alright, we came to the city. It wasn't that far from where we were. But we came for some stuffed ice cream. Why is it so blurry? Up there.
Stuffed ice cream? I thought we were getting that ice cream.
Babies? No, we came to stuffed ice cream.
Oh, my bad.
I mean, you can try both if you want. Let's go get ice cream. Some street side entertainment. Look at yours. Look at that Cookie Monster. You need to do something like this.
Next time.
The only ones I've ever done was a 7 scoop. Next time for me too. I'm get my 15 scoops. That looks so good. That looks so amazing. Look at that. Alright, we got our ice cream. I got this Mint Monster, whatever it is. It's like 2 scoops of ice cream, Captain Crunch, Oreo crumbles, and a donut in a donut.
I got regular ice cream, Cookie Monster with Oreo, and a matcha cone.
Alright, cheers. Take it back out.
The Oreos are making a mess.
Look at that. That's a big donut. The ice cream's really good. I've been here before. I had a cone with 7 scoops. Next time, I'm gonna go for the 15.
Oh, of course you are. You're making a mess.
I know. It's crumbly. They had unicorn poop, but they didn't have white chocolate.
They're out of the ice cream.
This is so good. Fusion. Look at that. Time to head on home. Ice cream was good. Tacos were delicious. We had a good day food hunting. Bless you.
I did. Did you?
I did. I'm glad places are starting to open up again that we can go visit.
A lot of places are doing outdoor seating now.
Yeah. Even that pizza place over there. They're doing outdoor.
Yeah,
East Village.
East Villages. I saw it on your story.
If you guys enjoyed this day in the life of 2 foodies, give this video a big thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
And don't forget to check out our other videos right over here.